Hi, my name is Michelle. I'm a BMW genius here at Fields BMW of South Orlando, and today we're going to show you how to use your parking assistant on your M550. So first you want to make sure that your seatbelt is on. You're going to put the vehicle in drive, and you're going to activate your parking distance control. You're going to drive off and drive past your parking spot. The vehicle is going to let you know when to stop. You need to activate your turn signal. Always make sure and be aware of your surroundings. Hold down your parking distance control button and release the brake. Once it's completed, it's going to let you know that the vehicle is in park.